Hello guys, it's me Natasha here. Welcome back to another vlog. Intro rolling. So guys, I have the greatest matcha. Basically guys, for today's video, I am beyond too excited because I'm about to get a glow up, okay? Spiritually and mentally. Spiritually and mentally. So you guys don't know what type of glow ups such as like doing facial, spa day, massage. So yeah, better is this matcha is so good. Will be better with ice. So a quick outfit edits. I am wearing this white top. It's actually inner, but I'm gonna take it off anyways. It looks quite horrible. And then I'm wearing this white pants, this beige or cream pashmina. That it is so freaking comfortable. So I just like sarung macam tu je. Cute tote bag, which is like a lifesaver because I can have everything inside. And then I'm not wearing a makeup because I'll be showering there. So macam buat apa makeup kan? So I'm done with my spa and they serve me hot tea. I am getting ready to go to spa. Not really spa, it's a facial place. I haven't decided what I want to do, but I think I want to get a skin booster. It's either a skin booster or acne removal because I hate my acne. So I don't think I'm gonna wear any makeup, just like probably moisturizer and sunscreen. So for moisturizer, I use Purito moisturizer because I am fighting with fungal acne and it is literally lifesaver. Alright guys, so I am on my way to my facial appointment. My appointment is at 11. It is before we start driving. I need the playlist. We're almost at the facial spa. I am almost there, so so I think one thing is that you have to be chill. You cannot be groggy, even though I am groggy. But so I am done with my facial. Actually, I cannot wear makeup tonight, but since I have like occasion tonight, I'm not really sure. That's how it goes. But let's go back. Please lah, janganlah traffic. Let's see if this whole thing gives me glow skin or not.
Like this, and then from here, right, you focus Verb 1 and slowly. 3 seconds. For 2, relax the shoulders, scoop the belly in a little. Last 4. And in. Right side. Inhale, bend, straighten your knee up.
Pilates class is done. I was late, but okay lah. Okay, but it's quite far from my house. Yeah, the traffic is also bad. So I low-key came late to the class. It's all good, fam. Now let's go back because I have to go back and I have to go to the mall to buy a few things. But we're gonna go back and shower first because I smell bad. So, but first, before we start the First, before we start the driving, I need to tune in my playlist. So let's
7R, then turn left onto Jalan Kelapa.
Alright guys, so little update. Right now I am back home. I took my shower, I feel refreshed. I changed my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys later. But right now I'm getting ready again because I have to go to buy niece's birthday present. So today's makeup mode is more to like simple, lazy. I'm just gonna wear this skin tint that I ordered. The code Panacota Teen. I'm just trying it out. I hope it doesn't rain, please. So yeah, let's do the quick time lapse because I'm so lazy to talk. Go! I kind of like want to buy this book. Should I? It's about like if you have haters or what. This is good. Call my sister to ask her what should I get for my niece. Let's call her because I have no idea what to buy. Guys, so my sister said my niece wanted this for so long, so I'm just gonna get this for her. But it's freaking okay lah. Semoga saya dimurahkan rezeki, boleh belanja lagi ya. Boleh lah. This one kok ada. Box also. This will do. Now the present is settled. Now let's go back. Do I need a wrapper? Ke boleh just kali guys. Is it awal lah? I think Mama have it, so I'm just gonna borrow Mama's. I got what I wanted. So I got this book. Oh my god, I heard a lot of good reviews regarding this book, so I wanted to read it. And I need like a new hobby. The Courage to be Disliked. It is by Ichiro Kishimi and Fumitake Koga. It's like Japanese. And then I got this for my niece. It's quite expensive, but whatever. Do I look bad? I really like this makeup, which is giving very glow. I love it. Cool. Okay, that was so scary. Okay. We good, fam. It's good, Saji. Normal sugar kan? Okay. I got my Saji. This one is the jasmine lemon tea. I love it. It's like not moa. It's very tangy, very sour. So good. Hello guys, little update. I am back home and I look crusty. I got my nails done. It is so pretty. This is a French tip, normal French tip. I really love the color, and surprisingly all of this, it costs like less than 200. I am obsessed with it. It doesn't hurt at all. If you guys want to do your nails, go to Times Square in KL and find level 2 and paying salon. I don't remember the specific name of the salon, but go there because I loved your stuff. It's so friendly. They did it so neatly but fast. Look at that. Like, I came there so last minute, but they did my nails so fast and neat. So detailed, so nice, and I don't regret it. So much for watching, guys. I'll see you guys when I post a new YouTube video. Bye bye.